In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove users from a ClickUp Workspace, Account Cleanup 2026. Keeping your workspace tidy saves paid seats, reduces clutter in assignees and mentions, and makes permissions easier to manage. Here's how to safely remove someone without losing their work. Open your browser and go to clickup.com. If you're already signed in, great, you'll be taken straight to your ClickUp home. If not, sign in using your preferred method. You can continue with email or use a connected provider. Choose whichever you usually use so your account opens in the correct workspace. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that prompt as well. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner for your profile avatar or your name. Click it to open the account drop-down. From that menu, select Settings to enter your account and workspace controls. On the settings page, check the left sidebar for the admin settings section. If you don't see it, you may not have the permissions required to remove members, so you'll need an admin to proceed. When admin settings is visible, click People. This takes you to your Workspaces member list where you can view all users, guests, and pending invites. Find the person you want to remove. You can scroll or use the search bar to locate them, and it helps to double check you're in the correct workspace if you manage more than one. Next to the user's name, click the three-dot menu. Choose Remove. A confirmation message will explain what happens. The user will be removed from the workspace, but their history, comments, uploads, tasks, and other contributions stay in place. That's important for continuity. Nothing they created is deleted, and they may still appear in search results or filters where their past activity exists. Click Remove again to confirm. That's it. The user is now out of the workspace and their seat becomes available for someone new on compatible plans. If you're cleaning up several accounts, repeat the same action for each person. As a best practice, make sure any critical tasks are reassigned before or right after removal to keep work moving. And if a user only needed limited access, consider converting to a guest instead of removing entirely. You now know the precise admin-approved path to remove users while preserving data integrity in ClickUp. Seat counts and billing updates may take a moment to reflect, depending on your plan. For large teams, it's smart to schedule cleanups during low traffic hours and to capture a quick screenshot of current members for records. And remember, if you remove someone by mistake, you can always re-invite them to restore their access.